Did you see that? Hi, do you want to know what bird I spotted? It has a body, 2 feet, a beak, 2 gray wings, and it looks like it's wearing a black hood. Do you know what that bird's called? You got it, it's a chickadee. This is a great spot near my home to go bird watching. This is the chickadee's natural habitat. Do you know what I mean when I say habitat? Well, think of your own home as a habitat. So in my home, I have things like food and water and a roof to keep the rain off me. I have a cozy bed. I have my family there. That's my habitat. So let's look at this space here. How is this the chickadee's habitat? Do you see some of those things here? Do you maybe see some water and some trees for shelter? And if you listen closely, you might even hear some other birds there. Well, I want to see chickadees in my own backyard. So how can I take this habitat and put some of those things into my backyard so that I can have chickadees come visit there? Let's go back to my yard and have a look. Chickadees like to eat bugs and spiders and seeds. So if I put some seeds in here, I have some water up here for them to drink and bathe in. And I have a rotting log that might provide some bugs and spiders. I think they'll be happy with this. Did you hear that? That was a chickadee. Did you hear it again? Chickadees make a chickadee-dee-dee-dee sound. Can you guys try doing that? Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. So in the wild, in the wintertime when it's cold, chickadees will find a hollow in a tree and they'll cuddle together to stay warm. Well, I have this birdhouse here. It's hollow and dry inside. Do you think chickadees would like that? Chickadees also like trees and leaves so that they can hide from predators under them. And did you know chickadees can actually even hang upside down from the branches? Let's see if we can spot a chickadee. I can't believe we saw so many chickadees. Make sure you log in your nature notes all that you observed and you learned today. And did you see that? I'll tell you about it next week.